Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. This is my report about contributions of regulation in protecting the environment from shipping activities. A. Ballast water management. B. Anti-fouling system. C. Other contemporary regulation or requirements. A. Ballast water management. The International Convention for the Control and Management of Ships' Ballast Water and Sediments was adopted by the IMO to address the environmental risk associated with the transfer of harmful aquatic organisms and pathogens through ships' ballast water. K. Contribution of ballast water management. Number 1 is prevention of invasive species. Require ship to manage ballast water to prevent the introduction of non-native aquatic species into new environments which can disrupt local ecosystem and biodiversity. Number 2, improved ecosystem health. Ensures that discharged ballast water meets specific standards to minimize ecological imbalances. Number 3, global compliance. Encourages the adoption of uniform ballast water treatment system worldwide, fostering collective responsibility and mitigating risk of ecological degradation. B. Anti-fouling system. The International Convention on the Control of Harmful Anti-Fouling System on Ship, adopted by IMO, regulates the use of coating on ship's hulls to prevent the attachment of aquatic organisms. K. Contribution of anti-fouling system. Number 1 is reduction of toxic substances. Prohibited harmful substances like tributene, which were previously used in anti-fouling paints but are highly toxic to marine organisms and persist in the environment. 2. Minimize biofouling impact. Reduces the accumulation of biofouling organisms on ships, which can carry invasive species and increase drag, leading to higher fuel consumption and emissions. Number 3 is promotes eco-friendly technologies. Encourages the use of safer, environmentally sustainable anti-fouling system that reduce marine pollution. C. Other contemporary regulation or requirements. Several additional regulations have been introduced to address various environmental challenges from shipping activities. Number 1. MARPOL or International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships. A. Air pollution. MARPOL Annex 4 sets limits on sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide emissions to improve air quality and reduce acid rain. B. Oil chemical pollution. Annex 1 and Annex 2 operational discharges of oil and harmful substances into the sea. 3. Garbage management. Annex 5 regulates ships generate waste disposal, requiring onboard treatment and limiting disposal at sea. Number 1, Energy Efficiency Design Index and Ship Energy Efficiency Management Plan. Energy efficiency. These requirements mandate ships to optimize design and operations to minimize greenhouse gas emission, supporting global climate changes mitigation efforts. Number 2, biofouling guidelines. Complementing anti-fouling system, these guidelines aims to prevent the spread of invasive species by addressing biofouling on hulls and underwater structures. Number 3, Polar Code. Protection of polar region. Set safety and environmental standards for ships operating in fragile Arctic and Antarctic ecosystem to prevent oil spills, ice damage, and habitat disruption. These regulations collectively ensure sustainable shipping practices, minimize ecological harm, and encourage the maritime industry to adopt innovative, environmentally friendly technologies, contributing to global efforts to protect marine biodiversity and mitigate climate changes. That's all. Thank you.